Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Sir, what is the daily income here? They would be interested to know the daily income from your own self. Daily income for the book sale per day.
Book sale, 5 to 6 lakhs.
Per day.
That's ridiculous.
See, after all,
You can just imagine from the sales.
Yeah.
and how many people it must be going? This magazine is hardly $1. So in America is 1 rupee.
Correct.
So 1,70,000 magazine for that.
So, this is documentary, and the Europeans, they are not fools in that sense, that they are interested in purchasing other religious books, not their Bible. You see. So it has got very great potential. So under the circumstances, we should now make combined effort that it can be pushed on more organized. I am doing now alone with the help of this. There is no Indian sector. This is the difficulty.
I think, with all due respect, many Indians are trying to do things in their own villages, say, or in their own districts.
Nobody.
Well, I mean, if you've been to Bharatpur recently, about 5,200 beds were there for this Netrayak, for the eyes operation.
I know
30,000.
that I know. But I am speaking of this culture.
Culture, yes.
See, that is the physical aid one is giving. So
You mean karma part, somebody is taking care of.
One cannot
The
say-
bhakti and...
But one thing is that we are preaching Bhagavad-gita as it is.
Yes, sir.
In Bhagavad-gita, there is no such statement that you take care of the eyes of the people. There is no such statement. That is your manufacture. But we are preaching Bhagavad-gita as it is. That is the difference. Our preaching is that instead of giving relief to the eyes, giving relief in such a way that he hasn't got to accept anymore this body with eyes. You cannot make a solution of the problem. Somebody is taking care of the eyes, somebody is taking care of the finger, somebody of the hair, somebody of another genital, and so on and so on. This will not solve the problem. The problem is, as it is said in the Bhagavad, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Dosha. This is intelligence. As soon as you take birth, then you will have eyes, you will have eye trouble, Vyadhi, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi. If you accept Janma Mrityu, then between Janma Mrityu there is Vyadhi and Jara. You have to accept. You may give some relief, but you have to accept. So that is not solution. The solution is how to stop this Janma Mrityu Jara. That is bigger solution. So if you are giving that thing, there will be no more eyes trouble. The main disease, suppose one man is diseased, so sometimes he is feeling headache, sometimes eye ache, sometimes finger ache, and you are applying some medicine. That is not the solution. The solution is that this man is suffering from this disease, how to cure it. So, Bhagavad-gita is meant for that purpose. Tattradiham punarjanma naiti. And as soon as you accept body, klesada. Nasadu manne jatva atmanayam asannapi klesadaya asadaya. Asannapi, this body is not permanent. So, because the body is not permanent, the disease also not permanent. So, Krishna's advice is Tang Tidikka Savar. Matras for Shastra Pontiya Sri Krishna Sukhadukkada. You make this solution, that is the greatest solution, that how to stop Janma, but that they do not know that this can be stopped. They are simply busy with the temporary problems. And they are taking it very great. What is great? Suppose if you have got a boil here, simply by temporary, you will cure. There must be surgical operation, get out the pus. So, this movement is for that purpose. It is not for this temporary jara vyadhi. That is online. But Krishna says, if we take Krishna's advice, Bhagavad-gita, that is not problem. If there is little trouble, real problem is that Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi try to stop it. That is intelligence. Takta deham punarjanma neti mameti. That is culture, that is education. Not to be very much bothered with the temporary. That is not a very intelligent. Give them this culture, this consciousness. So we have got this body. So long you have got this body, you may give relief to the eyes, but another trouble will come. It is not guaranteed that by giving them relief to the eyes, he gets relief from all kinds of things. That is going on. Janma Mrityu, Matras Parsastra Konte. So give relief. As for this, real relief, how to stop. That is our Vedic civilization. That you should not become father, you should not become mother. If you cannot give protection to your children from the cycle of birth and death, Pita nasasya, janani nasasya, namo chaida, samopidam. This is real problem. Real culture is that this child has come to me, so we shall train him in such a way that no more accepting body. Because as soon as they accept body, it is very difficult subject matter, of course, to understand. But Bhagavad-gita teaches jada jadai dharmasya prani bhavati. When people forget this problem, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, Krishna personally comes to teach them that this is your problem.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare